Hello everyone, welcome back to another video everyone. Today's agenda is basically end-to-end build a Power BI dashboard with respect to the data that is Amazon Prime. Everybody is aware about what exactly Amazon company is about. Amazon company, it's a e-commerce company, but along with that, it has a multiple subsidiaries also, just like Amazon Prime, which help us to watch the videos, movies, web series, and lot many things. In the description, I will add the data, but right here, look at the data. This is how the data set looks like. You can see that at the top, column number A, that is show ID. Show ID S1, the type of the show, that is a movie, the title of it, that is a Grand Seduction, director name, cast, country, date, release year, rating for the particular movie, duration, the listed in whether it's a comedy movie or drama movie, what it is, and the description, a small description of it, a small fishing village and all. So this is the small data set we have. Again, it's not kind of a small. Actually, when you select the data, you can see it contains 9,669 records. That means it is a small, not a data, right? It's a average kind of a data. Now on this data set, we will try to build the dashboard. Now quickly move to the Power BI screen. Now first step, what we will do that, again, I have mentioned already to all of you, whenever we build the Power BI dashboard, first thing we have to do, that is called to understand the business. First step is that we are assuming we understand the business. This is the Amazon Prime. We know that Amazon Prime, how it works. This is a platform. People generally get a subscription by paying 400 rupees or somewhere, and then they watch the movie content for 1 month, 1 year, such a way like that. This is the business, we have an idea. Second step is that we understood the data. Always make sure two things are really important to build a dashboard. Second thing is that we understood the data. Very easy to understand, show ID, movie, and the title, director, the director name, cast, and so many things. Very easy to understand data. In this data, we will try to build a dashboard. Now, just click on this data, get data, or you can click on this import data from Excel, and this is the data set I have. And click on this, all the files. This is the data, Amazon Prime titles. Click on open. This will upload the data. Now, we are assuming the data is cleaned enough. We don't need to change anything in the data. But if you feel, look something to clean something, we can clean the data. Now you can see show ID and all, every data is written over here. Now I'm clicking on a load. Everybody, I told you already, transform data we have to click whenever we know that I have to change something within the data. Then load data I will click whenever I know I don't need to change anything in the data. My data is cleaned enough. Then click on load. Now my data will be uploaded here directly. Very simple is that. As simple as that. Now the next step, what I will do, whenever this gets uploaded, what I have to do, we will look at the data. We will look at the data, how it looks like in the Power BI screen. It's loading. Now, oh, it is taking some time because this is somewhere 3 MB kind of a data. Mhm. Now, okay, it's uploaded. You can see right hand side it's coming. Okay, looks good now. Now you can see that, sir, this is my data set looks like. Again, the second step, whenever we upload the data, second step is that we have to check the data type always in the Power BI data. Why is it important? Yes, otherwise we will get some errors or some issues if a data format is not cleaned enough. As simple as that. Now click on this table view, right left hand side, then you can see data will be visible here. Okay, it's not coming there, maybe it is taking some time to load a data. So because the data we have seen already, it's coming over, it takes some time to load the data. Now, so first step, what we will do that, because we are going to build a dashboard or front page in the Amazon Prime, we will try to build that one. Now, first step we have to do is to make a colors. Again, Amazon Prime is the company and we are going to build a dashboard. The next thing what we can do, choose the color very carefully. Go to the Google. I'll tell you how to choose the color. Just write over here Amazon Prime colors for dashboard. You can say it like that way. Dashboard. Just say like that. So you'll go to the Google. See, can you see this one color scheme? Again, click on this. Click on this. And whenever you click on see, these are the color schemes. General. General, these are the color schemes people are using. So not the people. This is the color scheme company Amazon Prime is using, right? So you can pick any of the color on this, any of the color. So sir, I can pick this one, this one, this one, whatever you believe that look good for you. You can choose that one. Right now, I am assuming, sir, I will pick this one. I'm assuming this one. Copy the code. You can copy the code, or you can copy this one. That looks better for me. Again, this is how we have to choose it frequently. Now go to the Power BI screen, go to the this button, the report view, go to the canvas background, go to the color background, and this is the color one. And here the color, click on a more color. I have to change my color. Hash, I can write a 19222D. This is the one of the color which I choose. This is related to the Amazon Prime color. Okay, it's there. It's there now. Right now, click on the transparency should be low. See, it's there. See, the color is there. This is the color of Prime we have chosen. Right. Again, click on this color. Go to the more colors. You can choose any of the color which I copied. This is the color I copied. You can check this color also. Fine. This color that looks fine, sir. I'll copy this one, and this is works for me. Right. This is the first step, choosing the color. After that, what we can do, we are going to build some sort of a plot. So how to do that? Because I can see in my data there is a country column. So if I have a country column, very easily I can build a map chart, filled map chart. What I will do, sir, click on this one. There is a map that is called a filled chart, right? What I will do here, what I will do here, sir, I'll drag this country column to the location. See, automatically it will pick. That's the beauty of the Power BI. See, automatically it will pick. But some multiple things are not visible over here. So you can see this show ID, because sir, I want to see with respect to the data I'm going to build something, right? Country and the show ID. You can see that this show ID will drag to the where I can drag tooltips, because on the hover I want to see that thing. So you can see this. Okay, in this South America, these are the shows I did, isn't it? This is how, based on the business, based on the data, we are going to do that. Now here, rather than click on this tooltip, by default it will show you first show ID, because this data, it's a categorical, not a numerical. Click on this and click on to the count distinct, because I want to see the distinct count. Whenever you hover on this, you can see this chart is related to somewhere in India, isn't it? And hover on that. Okay, in the India, I have 229 shows in India. In North America, that is 16. This is how it works, and this is the good information I'm getting, right? But one thing, sir, one thing, as I showed you, this is my data, and there may be chances in my data I have some issues. So what I'll do, and click on this filter section. Can you see this country section? Click on it. Click on it. Whenever you click on it, you can see there's a empty option. Can you see this empty option? So I don't want to see that, right? Because 9,015 records are empty. Again, this is the issue in the data. And again, in the real world, this issue can be happen for all of them. What I'll do, select all and deselect this. Huh? So all the data will be visible, but this blank values will not be visible now. This is something you have to take care about all of them in your visualization. Now go to this formatting with this map. Click on this chart, go to this formatting option, the chart, right? Now go to this map setting. In this map setting, sir, I don't want to see the style of road. I can click on this dark. See, this looks dark. Come on. This become dark now. Go to this fill colors. The colors I don't this no don't looks good for me, right? Again, you can choose many more color. It's not necessary you can choose this color, right? Again, go to this formatting and you can choose any of the color. Go down, don't want to see this. See this, the color gradient I mean to say. You can see these colors, yeah, gradient. See that? You can click on this, redesigning a web. Click on it. See, Okay, sir, I can choose these color. You can see this now. Choose this color. This color will be higher side and this color should be lower side. I'll show it to you how. Copy this code, go there and click on this function of it. And in this function, come on, this is coming popping up. Rather than rules, click on the gradient. In the gradient, click on this count of country. You can click on count of show ID because based on the show ID I want to see na count of show ID and the count of distinct for me. And this color I can choose maybe gather than highest value should be I have copy this code, see, copy this code and that's it, enter. Yeah, that's it, enter over here and you can see that na and click on okay. Whenever you click on okay, see, the color will be changed. Come on, it's loading somewhere. Ah, see this? Isn't it looks better? See that? Okay. The dark color represents, okay, this is the highest count. Isn't it? Because I choose the highest color, right? This one. And this count, oh, this is a 16. It's lower count. Here, okay, 253. This information I'm getting. Again, based on the businesses, we have to do that by go to the Google and search the color combinations. Always each and every company uses that format. It is not necessary you have to choose the random color by default color, so which color I have to choose, which color I don't have to choose. This is how it works. Now you can give some more formatting over here. Now go to this Power BI, click on this chart, go to the general. In the general there are options. Go to the effects. In the effects you can the background color, right? The background color, click on it. The background color you choose should be this one, nah? This one's the background color. That's fine. Now you can choose this visual border. Yeah, you can turn on the visual border, turn it on. And this should be, I'll choose it by color white. Now see the Asia and all, click on this white. See, that will be looks better for me. Rounded corner, if you want to round corners by 10 15 somewhere like this na. See, and click outside. See, that looks better na. That looks, see that rounded corners, isn't it looks better? This is how it works. Again, if you want to do it more, click on this chart. Again, this is something based on our prescriptions. Click on it, go to the general, go to the titles. The title should be, you can take it as a show ID by country. You can say like that. And heading should be, text color should be white in color because this will be visible to all of them na? And it should be in the middle. See, that looks better, isn't it? Looks better. This is how we have to choose these things very carefully. What I have to do that one by one. In that option there is one thing also, divider. So this divider represents that. See, can this now show ID by country? It's not required, you can do that. Click on this button and go to this divider option, go to the general, go to this effects, and there's an option. Where's the option gone? Where's the option gone? Within that title there's an option divider. Click on it. When you click on it, divider, and this divider option, click on it, color white. See this divider called as a divider, show ID, and this white line will come automatic. See, this is divide. Okay, this is the color and this is the name of it and this is the chart of it. Again, this is how it works. Click on it and adjust them accordingly. How to adjust? And you can adjust over here. Over here, that looks better for me. Somewhere here, somewhere here. This is how we have to choose these colors very good in a manner. This is how it works. Now then, sir, what more I can do? Very easy, very easy. What more we can do, I'll show it to you. Based on the data, maybe we feel like we can build a donut chart or pie chart, right? Just click on it, pie chart. And pie chart is here. What you can do, so based on the pie chart, I feel you can see the what is that type called. Let's see what is the type data. Na? Go here. What's the type? Where is the type one? Movie. Okay, movie, web series. This is the data. Fine. I will build this pie chart. But sir, why you're building a pie chart? Because there are very less records over there, and pie chart, donut chart we can build if there's a less number of counts. Okay, so drag this type to the legend. See, it's coming these many of legends I have. But sir, this not looks good, na? Blazing Sun and 17 years old. That not looks good. We can take that thing. Don't worry about it. Within the value section, you can drag the show ID, na? Show ID. That's it. Rather than count, you can click on it. By I want to see, sir, count distinct. But sir, I don't want to see this one. See, can you see this, sir? TV show and this not looks make sense for me. What I'll do now? Click on it. Click on it. Go to the filter type. I don't want to see all of them. Check for all. Not check for all. Sorry. Go down. I want to see TV, movie, and this one. See this? I want to see this one much only. That's it. This is how it works, right? You don't need to do that manually stuff. Isn't it so simple? Okay, sir, that looks good for me. But sir, this is how it works. But one more thing I'm missing over here, that's the formatting. The formatting, I have to do it here manually? Yes. And I can say no. Why? Because these stay in step. Just click on it button. There's an option Format Painter. Click on it, Format Painter. And once you click on it and drag it over here, see all the formatting filled over here. Isn't it looks good? Isn't it looks good? That is the beauty. You don't need to do that steps manually and one by one. You don't need to do that, right? This is the beauty of Power BI, and this is how you can do the things very fast. Now you can do whatever the things are required. The title, first of all, count by show ID by type. Click on it. Go to the formatting. Go to the general. Go to the title. This looks count of type. That's it. I want to see like this way, na? And this that's fine. And so what I can do more, the colors. Click on it. This should be white in color if you want to see that. Slices, the color will automatically come the blue and this one, na? And data labels, outside or inside, it depends on you. I want to see inside, but I'm just clicking on this outside. That looks better for me. Go to the values. Values color should be white in color, na? That will be visible for me very easily, na? I can choose this. That's fine. Rotation I don't want. Go to the general. Do it more. Background color is this. Everything is set it up now because we did that already. Visual border white, rounded corner 15. Everything is set over here. This is how we have to adjust the things in Power BI quickly and fast. This is how in the real world we have to build the dashboard and don't do the things separately one by one. That is the beauty of it in Power BI. Now, after that, sir, something more is required. We can do over here. Yes, that is one thing is also required. What exactly it is, I will show it to you. Now, go to that one, click on this, go to the visual. Maybe you can go for legend. Na? In the legend, you can see center right and click on the top left. See, this is coming top left at the up. But it depends on you where you can to see. You want to see the center left. Huh? Here I want to see. Again, it depends on you where you want to see and depends on your business where you want to show them. Top right like looks good for me, but not this. Top center. That's it, na. But I want to see the color should be white in nature, isn't it? That looks better for me. And that's it, na. And you can increase the size if you want. Well, no, it's not looks good, sir. 10 is fine for me. That's it. I want to see like that manner. See, this is how you can adjust them. Now adjust these charts and do it over here somewhere, and you can make a bit difference between them. See the rounded corner. Isn't it looks good, guys? Definitely. Now, sir, what more chart I can build? Again, there are multiple options with respect to the data. We can do that. Now, sir, I want to build a one more chart that is called a, let's try to build this one, a area chart. Huh? Area chart or line chart would be okay for me. Okay. Click on it, line chart. In the line chart, sir, because I want to, you can see this release year with respect to year, with respect to year, and with respect to show ID, I can build one of the line chart. Just drag the release year to the x-axis, and y-axis I can drag to the show ID. Yeah, that's it. And in the legend, I can drag the, maybe I can drag the type because types are two types, na? Click on this legend. See, two types are there. Can you see this? Isn't it looks better for me? See, line chart. I can build a line chart. Very easy for me, isn't it? Now you know that what to do, right? Click on this. go to the format and click on it. Very easy to do that. So that means you have to do the task one and then click on a format painter. Format painter is nothing but this is a feature of Excel we have, isn't it? Copy the formatting and paste it anywhere, wherever you want. But sir, that looks fine for me, but you can adjust three of them wherever you want. Now, sir, this looks fine for me, and I want to adjust them somewhere here. Maybe that looks so long spaces. What I can do, and first of all, change the formatting. Okay, click on it, General Properties. I want to see count of show ID by year. That's it. That's it. It depends whatever we want. Okay, now adjust them. What I can adjust more, maybe I can drag this feature over here, because this requires this more information, and I can drag this feature somewhere here, and this is something I can drag it over here more, huh? Isn't that? That's fine, no? That looks better. Now we can arrange them wherever we want. We can make it as a space somewhere in between, and I can drag this option to over here, and this is because this requires some bit, mm, upper side this information. I can drag this over here in this manner, and somewhere this, and that looks, if you take the space from left hand side, right hand side, and bottom side, that would be looks a bit good. That is why we are adjusting the colors and these things right hand side. Huh? That's it better now. Now, so what more we can do over here? Multiple things we can do over here. So can I build some more charts over here? Definitely. What more charts I can build based on the data? Let's try to think what more we can do. So we can do one thing now, because we are going to build a dashboard for Prime or Amazon Prime. We can take a logo of it, isn't it? That will be very beautiful, right? Go to that Google and add one more. Just write a Google and just say Amazon Prime logo. Yeah. Go to this images. You can pick any of the image, isn't it? Because that will be looks good. Uh, uh, you can pick this one, this one or this one, anything, whatever you feel like. In our case, what I'll pick this one because that looks similar to the background of mine. Right click on it, save image as, and click in this is a AVIF file because I'm looking for PNG file. That would be better for me. Oh, I'll go for this one. That looks better. And save image as, this is a JPEG file. That's it. And the name is Amazon Prime logo, and okay, that's it become downloaded. Now go to that. How to do that, sir? Very easy. Go to the insert option, go to the images section. Whenever you click on this downloads this Amazon logo, right? Oh, it's coming to this Adobe. I don't know why it's come, but let's see whether it will come or not. Oh, it's coming. That's fine. See, this is how it works. Very easy, isn't it? Looks good now. So you can adjust this image somewhere, na? Here you can adjust. See like that? Okay, see? This looks better, na? This is the logo of Prime Video. See? So this shows you are building a dashboard for Amazon Prime Video, isn't it? Or you can choose any one of them, whatever you want. Maybe you can go for this one, because this one also looks better, isn't it? If you can let's see that now whether it looks good whenever we drag it over there or not. PNG file, and click on OK and save. Go there and try to do it now. Try to do it. Go to the images and this one and open. Let's see which looks better. Yeah, this white also looks fine now. I'll remove this now. I'll remove this because this looks fine for me. I'll adjust that. I will adjust that and drag it here. Yeah, but very small it is. You can increase the size of it. See? That looks better, isn't it? That looks better. Amazon Prime, you can adjust the size and all based on the requirement. That is fine, sir. That looks fine for me. So what I can do more? What I can do more? you can build some sort of more information with respect to the data. Based on the data, what I can do more, sir, I can make some sort of what I can say, some sort of or maybe the cards I can use. I can use some of the cards. How can I do those cards? Or maybe I can use one of the sir bar chart also. Because in the bar chart, what I believe after understanding the data, I can use this rating column. You can see rating column I can use, because I have a rating column also. So let's do one thing. Click on this bar one, stacked bar chart, whatever I want, and just make this and drag the rating column to x-axis, and y-axis should be show ID. And where's the show ID? This is a show ID y-axis. Come on, it's coming. Can you see that? Isn't it looks good? Huh? Isn't it looks good? See? Okay, sir, this is the show ID. This is the rating, 13 plus rating, and this is becoming okay. 13 plus rating, I have it 2117, right? But I want to see the count of distinct because unique count I want to see. Now click on it. That's it. Click on it. Hover on it. That is how it works. But the formatting, I also want to do that. Oh, very simple. Click on it and go to the home, click on the format painter and click on it. That will be very easy and fast way to do that, isn't it? See, that makes the difference. The higher one becomes the larger one. That's it, sir. That looks good for me. Yeah, that looks good for me. But sir, this is also looks fine, na? That looks fine, I believe. We can try these more charts also. That is also looks fine. You can do this chart also. That is also looks fine. You can pick any one of them, but in our case that looks fine for us, sir. I can adjust them wherever we want. Or I can use this. That also looks fine. Or yeah, that looks also fine for me right now. And adjust them in this manner. Yeah, that's it. And you can change the formatting, general title, and click on it, count of rating by show ID. By show ID. That's it. That's it. This is how it works. Yeah, isn't it looks good, guys? Definitely. Yeah, that makes sense to do that stuff. But again, sir, I am not getting this dot 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 line. That is called a grid line. Okay, you can remove that part also. Click on it, go to the grid line section within this, and turn it off. See, that is turn off. Click on it, turn it off. Grid lines and turn it off, horizontal or whatever it is. And I want to remove this vertical also. See, that makes sense now. See, that looks better. This is how it works. But sir, I want to see some more, maybe one more chart I can use. Yeah, if you allow. Within that, sir, I want to see the listed in. There's a one data also which I can use, that which I believe we can use. What I will do now, I will click on this chart. In this empty chart, I can use this listed in data. Let's see. In x-axis and y-axis should be show ID, and this should be distinct. You can see this now. Isn't it looks better? What it is telling you. See that. See the business. What information I'm getting. I'm getting, sir, drama has the highest listed. That means people have seen drama, comedy, and suspense. These are the top three listed genre people are watching to the Amazon Prime. This is it, right? Click on it, formatting, format paint, and click on it. That will change. Yeah. Isn't it looks better now? Okay. But sir, this should also be similar to that. What I'll do, click on it, click on this button. See, that will shift you to that part. Isn't it? Come on, adjust them accordingly. See, that is looks better. That looks better now. But sir, can I add some more things over here? It depends on us. What more you can do over here, right? Now that looks better for us, huh? Right now, that looks better for us. But if you want, you can do multiple things more here, right? I'll tell you. That looks better. See, my entire page has been filled now, right? Entire page is been filled now, but you can adjust them some sort of formatting, and you can adjust some more options. I'll show it to you how and what. Okay, adjust them some little bit down, This one also I will adjust them. This one also I will adjust them a little bit down, and this one also I will adjust them little bit down. Okay, little bit down. That's it. Now, sir, I'll click on this card because card option is also good one. This card represents some sort of numbers which you want to show them. Click on it, click on a title and drag it here. Title means, sir, I want to see the title. Title means what it is. Click on it and show the count. See, 9,687 total title. Title means total movies or movie, drama, comedy, entire movies in the Amazon Prime, which are coming from the data, that is 9,687. Okay, see, this is the information I'm getting. Isn't it looks good? So you can adjust them. You can adjust them. Right, guys? This is how it works. You can do the formatting. Click on it, format, format, and format. See, oh, but this color is coming, sir, black. Na? I don't want to see these colors in black. So maybe you can adjust them. Wait, let me adjust this. Click on it, click on it, go to the formatting, call out value should black. I don't want to see the, I want to see in white in color. And the category label should be white also in color, right? But this counts, I don't want to see that. I want to see that. Category label, oh, sorry. This should be white in nature. And I can set the title also, not a title. Yeah. If you want, you can set the title. Yeah. If you want, you don't need to set the title. What you can do now, click on it, go to the visual, turn off this category label and go to the general, turn on the title. Within this title, you can write total titles or total movies, whatever you want, na? Total movies, right? This is how it works. This is how it works. You can do that and adjust them, whatever you want. But this colors are 9,000. That looks also fine, na? 9,687, right? You can do more, na? Paste, copy paste. See, one more. Maybe in this one more you can adjust. So what more I can adjust? You can see the data right hand side. What more information you feel like you can adjust in this one? The first one I'm seeing total number of movies in my data coming from. In the second one, maybe you can adjust. Let's think about first of all, guys, with respect to the data, what I can adjust over here. What I can adjust? Maybe I can adjust, maybe I can adjust rating, na? Total number of ratings with respect to the data. Now remove this one, drag the ratings here. See, total rating, why it's not coming? Oh, I want to see the count. Na? 9,687. Is that correct? Is that correct? Yeah. Maybe you can use this rating, but why it's not coming in the proper format? Why it's not coming in the proper format? Because we have to check the multiple things. What multiple things? You can see rating column. It's a multiple things we have. You have to select a count of distinct rather than count. Click on distinct. See, 25 total rating I have. Click on it. Go there. Go there. Title. Title should be, can see total ratings. Yeah, total rating is 25. That's it. You want to see some more information, sir? You can write maybe uh, total. Just copy this and paste it one more because we can adjust one more here. That is called listed in. That means called a genre. Huh? Drag it over here, click on it. Total genre is 519. Okay, click on it. There, formatting, title, and genre. Genre. This is called the genre, and this information are there, isn't it? That looks better. But you can see, sir, I can do some more. No? This white space is extra. This one, this is extra. What I can do here, so you can adjust the chart more in a manner, right? More in a manner means you can drag it somewhere bit down if you feel okay, bit down, that's bit down, and you can adjust more over there, you can adjust more over there and adjust them like this because I'm dragging up because I can see based on this I can adjust some more, right? I can adjust some more. Why can I adjust, I can adjust over here, and what I'll do, copy and paste One more here, I can see, sir, total number of directors. Yeah, from the data, how many directors made the movie. Director, right? Drag it over here and click on it and distinct count. See, 5,717, 71, sorry, 71 directors I have total. Come on, total director, total directors. That's it. Yeah, this information I'm getting, sir. You can see that, guys. What more I can do over here? What more I can do? Maybe you can do it. Maybe you can do it one more. Hmm, how many countries total you have? Isn't you can do anything, right? Based on the business, and maybe let's see that over here. Adjust them, remove it, add it as a country. Yeah, and see how many unique countries do you have. Okay, 87 unique countries I have. That is Amazon Prime. I am running to the 87 countries. Adjust them wherever you want and like this. Adjust them here and somewhere here, somewhere here, the distance between them somewhere here and somewhere here, like that. See, isn't it looks better, guys? This is how you can build the dashboard from the data with respect to any of the business. Again, you just click on this now because I'm just seeing that whether I can click on this now, area chart or stacked area chart. See, that looks better now. No, 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 line chart, that's better, I believe. No, line chart is looks fine for me, sir. Line chart looks fine for me. So that is it for this particular video. But this is how everybody we can build a dashboard end to end. We take the data. First of all, two things always remember: understand the business, then understand the data. Then you can build any of the dashboard. This is how it works. Okay, everyone. Thanks for watching it.